It was a busy day for Mr. Narendra Modi there. He met his Singaporean counterpart, he held meetings, toured a semiconductor factory, interacted with business leaders and even addressed a round table. This was Prime Minister Modi's first visit to Singapore since 2018, and all in all, it was quite a successful trip. India and Singapore have upgraded their bilateral ties. It is now a comprehensive strategic partnership. The two nations also signed 4 MOUs, Memorandums of Understanding, with the main focus being on semiconductor manufacturing. Singapore is already India's largest trade partner in ASEAN. Our next report tells you how it could be a crucial partner in helping India realize its chip-making dreams.
On Wednesday, PM Modi landed in Singapore. He got a warm welcome. He was received by the diaspora amid dance and music. After that, the Indian Prime Minister headed to the Istana. It's the official residence of the Singapore Prime Minister. And this is where PM Lawrence Wong hosted a private dinner for him. Today, it was down to business for the Indian PM. In the morning, PM Modi arrived at Singapore's Parliament House. He was greeted by PM Lawrence Wong. He received a ceremonial welcome. He met ministers and delegates. And finally, it was time for bilateral talks. The meeting was a productive one. India and Singapore have long shared bilateral relations. But this time, they decided to elevate those ties. It is now a strategic, comprehensive partnership. The aim is to boost economic ties and collaboration in various sectors. The two countries also signed 4 MOUs, that's Memorandums of Understanding. PM Modi also announced that India's first Thiruvalluvar Cultural Centre would soon open in Singapore.
हम भी भारत में अनेकों सिंगापुर बनाना चाहते हैं और मुझे खुशी है कि हम इस दिशा में मिलकर प्रयास हमारे बीच जो मिनिस्टरियल राउंड टेबल बनी है वो एक पाथ ब्रेकिंग मैकेनिज्म है. स्किलिंग, डिजिटलाइजेशन, मोबिलिटी, एडवांस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जैसे सेमीकंडक्टर और एआई, हेल्थ केयर, सस्टेनेबिलिटी और साइबर सिक्योरिटी जैसे क्षेत्रों में सहयोग.
So what are these MOUs about? One of them focuses on digital security. It aims to enhance cooperation in cybersecurity and new age technologies like artificial intelligence. It also aims to facilitate upskilling of workers. 2 others focus on health and skilling. But the most important one focuses on semiconductors, also known as chips. India and Singapore will create a semiconductor ecosystem. They will collaborate on development, they will nurture talent in designing and manufacturing. And Singaporean companies will invest in India. This is crucial because Singapore is a semiconductor hub. It makes 10% of the world's chips and 20% of the semiconductor making equipment. 9 of the top 15 global semiconductor firms have a presence in Singapore. This includes Qualcomm, AMD, Applied Materials and Micron. India wants to become a key player in the global chip supply chain, which makes this partnership very crucial. And it didn't just stop with an MOU. PM Modi visited AEM Holdings, a leading chip manufacturing unit in Singapore. Modi also met top business leaders. This included the CEOs of Blackstone Singapore, Temasek Holdings, Sembcorp Industries Limited, Capital Land Investment and Singapore Airways, among others. These business leaders have pledged to invest in India. So the visit focused on 3 aspects: upgrading ties, boosting investments and focusing on semiconductor production. Shows you how important Singapore is for India and how it acts as a critical partner in PM Modi's Look East policy.